to the place in the box as such you saw in the picture, and you need to write SAM rule. Like you need to write the gender first of all. Like if you have seen you have perceived female or a male, then you must write M or F over there. Thereafter the mood, either you have seen positive, negative or neutral. If the neutral, then N, positive then plus, and negative then minus. And thereafter you need to write the age, the perceived age which you have been perceiving through the picture. That's it. And at last you need to encircle the main character which you have perceived. There will be a main character, right? So you should encircle that also.
I perceived three characters in the story, and the theme was my story is making awareness of SIM cards and mobile phones. My central character is Raghav. He is around 26-year-old. Going to his office, he saw a lady. She was very conscious and she was finding something. She approached to her and asked, "What is the problem?" She told her that she lost her SIM cards somewhere, but she took it very lightly. And he make aware her that any time when lost our mobile or SIM cards, report to near police post, because one can misuse it if we are not reporting. And if we lost our SIM cards, then promptly call to the SIM provider and say to him to block the SIM card immediately. Not only this, he left the lady to the near police post, and after that he went to the office and did his work. Thank you very much.
Friends, I have perceived 5 characters in my story. Kapil, 21-year-old government teacher, is the central character of my story. Theme of my story is awareness program for educating village kids. He, being a dedicated and a passionate teacher, has thought of organizing a awareness campaign, and he aware Sarpanch and villagers to educate their kids by telling them the perks which government school provide, like free school bags, uniform, food, and many other things. He also emphasized that how the generation, the youth matters for development of our country. This way, he educated them and convinced all the villagers, and they started sending their kids to the school, and this way he contributed in the development of our country. Thank you.
Friends, I have perceived 4 characters from the picture shown to us. Ram, 23, student of 4th semester, BTech FGIT, Raebareli. Once he was in his hometown, he observed a vacant place that may be converted into playground. So he shared his idea among with 2 of his friends, and they both agreed. Then Ram shared the idea with Sarpanch and asked him to give permission to fix the vacant place in a playground. Sarpanch agreed. Then Ram started distributing the work among his friends. One of his friends collected the plastic material from the ground, and Ram, along with the second one, picked the wooden material and small bushes from the ground and distributed that wooden part to neighbor women so that they may use it as a fuel. Then Ram threw water on the ground so the dust may be settled down. And after that, students started playing in the ground every evening. And also, Ram specified a running track along with the ground so that village students may run in the morning. Thank you.
Friends, I have perceived 4 characters from the picture shown. Shivans, 21, student of BSc Agriculture from Lucknow University, is the central character of my story. Once after his final exams, he returned to his hometown, and on a fine evening, he was walking and he found that the villagers are using the old techniques of farming. He went to Sarpanch, and with the help of Sarpanch, he gathered a meeting and told the villagers about the government schemes that are allotted to the farmers, and he also told them about the modern techniques of farming. So they are very related from the efforts of Shivans, and they used his They used his techniques in his efforts.
Good morning, friends. I perceive 5 characters in this story, and my main character is Rohan, and he's recently joined as an IS officer. And one day he is going to survey the rural area, and he found the problem of bad water condition. So he talked to the pradhan of that village, that the reason behind it, and he talked to the industrial management head for not doing this again, and also giving the using two chemicals, that is ozone and chlorine in the water, for purifying the water, and also aware the village people to doing this for purifying the water. Thank you.
I have perceived 4 characters through the picture shown to us, and my central character is Amit, who is a village secretary posted in Thatipur, Gwalior. One day while passing through the village, he saw that there was so much wastage here and there nearby streets. So he decided to arrange a meeting with the help of village head and some knowledge and helping people. So he arranged a meeting and went to door-to-door campaign to create awareness among villagers that unhygienic conditions will create diseases among them. So not to put wastage here and there, and to post it in dustbin. Thank you.
Friends, I perceived my story, the 4 characters and Mohan was the 35 years old, the Sarpanch of the village, who was talking about the water problems of the in charge, because in this village the water problems and peoples are troubling, and animals also troubling, and crops are not grown up properly. So he was talking about the problem of water. The in charge will give the application of Ministry of Water and Resources, and the Ministry of Water Resources hear the voice of villagers and do something, then no problem of the water in their village. That's it. Thank you.
From picture, I perceived 4 characters in this story. From picture, I perceived 4 characters in this story. 3 are female and 3 are male and one female. And my central character is Rahul, and my story's action is awareness about to cleanness. And all are positive mood. Rahul, 21, was a student of KKDC Etawah College, and as well as he was preparing for defense exam. So once he participated in one more activities like social activities. So he went a college. So he went a village and met to Sarpanch and spread about to awareness like cleanness, and after that he went to door campaign and spread about cleanness, and also he also told about how to maintain clean in village, and how to what's the use of wet and dry dustbin. And then after that he also took oath villagers. After that he comes back in school. And then
Next.
Hello friends, what I perceived in my story, there is a 4 character. My theme is the awareness about health, organization of health. 26-year-old Suraj was a 26-year-old. He organized the health camp in her village, and he is a member of Anganwadi. About her village in Hardoi, he organized that and asked to the panchayat about organization of the health due to dengue suffer. From this way, he organized.
Next.
Good morning, friends. I have perceived 4 characters in my story, and action of my story is receiving letter for recommendation in national chess team. Akash, a 23-year-old boy, has received letter for recommendation in national chess team to represent India in meltwater chess tournament. He started his preparation by analyzing different moves by different personalities. Like inspired by Kizaritsky and Kasparov, he chose Gambit as his genre. He also practiced daily. For concentration, he started meditation, and he was admitted into National Sports Academy, where he got guidance of a best teacher and coaches. And after some time, he represented India in meltwater tournament. There, he represented India and won 3 simultaneous rounds in that tournament. And further on, he represented in various tournaments like Norway Chess Tournament, where he also won the tournament. Thank you.
I perceive 5 characters in my story. All are male at the age group of 25 to 30, and all have the positive mood. And the action of the story is shaking hand in the event. As there was a Eat Right movement going on in the city, so every college and schools were organizing it in individual or community level. Ramesh, who was a graduate student, has a keen interest in fit and healthy lifestyle, so he also wanted to aware his co-mates for the same. So he took permission from the faculty, and also the off days which were there in the week. He also called some nutritionists or pediatricians who have a good nutrition knowledge. So he with the help of his co-mates, decided the venue and also added some refreshments which were vegan, plant-based, and in this way also he exchanged mementos. Thank you so much.
Good morning, friends. So I have perceived 5 characters in the picture. The main character of my story is Rajat, 24-year-old with positive mood. He is a social worker, and he came in Blaze Palampur for social awareness for social aware the pupil about the Rajasthan government scheme. He came there and he talked about this Sarpanch and told him that the Rajasthan government schemes. He gathered the Blaze pupil and told them education scheme, and the latest scheme of midday meal, it includes milk in it. So he aware it about the Blazers, and that's all for my story. Thank you.
Awareness program. Yes. So we can add so many programs.
Yes.
Sanitation.
And the government department will be created in the village so that we can use the organic farming.
And the separate garden
Only last 1 minute is left, and all together discuss and come out with the common group story.
Thank you, group members, for nominating me. Our common group story is that Kapil, a 21-year-old government officer, was given the initiative of spreading awareness to the village members. So he delivered the awareness for 3 aspects mainly, that is agriculture, sanitation, and education. He introduced various kinds of schemes like Pradhan Mantri Fasal Yojana. He told about the usage of NABARD Bank, and for education, he mentioned various kinds of schemes like Anganwadi and the free delivery of school bags and other perks for schooling. Also, he told about the cleanliness which should be there in the village, that is the use of wet and dry dustbins. This was all. The village members got aware and they lived nicely, and this way the development of village occurred, and he was able to complete his task. Thank you.
आपने सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी के YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो अभी सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबाएं ताकि लेटेस्ट नोटिफिकेशंस आपके पास सबसे पहले पहुंचे।